If you've used a system where you are uploading multiple phone numbers for the same person, then you've probably been uploading your list multiple times. Here's a solution for that. This is my creation, the phone swap. And what it does is, as you can see, we have the contact information, phone number right here, phone type, and phone status. And down here, you see we have phone 2 type, phone 3 type, phone 4, up to phone 5, right? And then we go to exhausted, and we see wrong number count, and then the wrong numbers and the types, the wrong number types as well. So what we're going to do is go to contact right here, just below phone type. We're going to select wrong, and then we're going to come down here and hit save. Now remember this number, 4585658. Now we have 789-6584, and it's a landline, and the phone number status has been wiped clean. Now, when we go down to phones, we no longer see that phone number that's up here now. It was moved. And now the other phone numbers have all also moved up a slot. And then when you go into exhausted, that phone number is right there along with the phone type. So if that's not enough, let's do it again. Remember, 789-6584. Now we've got 463-6528. Phone type is unknown. Come down here. Now we have the second wrong number down here, as well as you look in phones. Now there's only 3 phones left.